Hello everyone, today I bring you the audio accompaniment vocal extraction function in the professional version. Focus on channel extraction. Open the upper left corner of the software to create a new mono project. Select Import Audio File in the File menu. Let's listen to the original document first.
Click the Effects menu to select Center Channel Extraction.
If you want to extract live or raw audio, please set the audio channel to 100%. Please adjust the side channel to 100% to medium to 0%. When the blending ratio is adjusted, click on the channel in the app. Let's try the effect after extracting the accompaniment. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a message. We will see you next time.